ensure structural integrity, the carbon fiber is subjected to a controlled pull test.
Readings are stable. The adhesive batch meets the requirements for maximum joint strength between the carbon fiber and aluminum structures.
A robotic arm maneuvers an ultrasonic transducer across the surface, transmitting high-frequency sound waves.
Temperature stable at -22°C, humidity optimal.
Confirmed. The thermal profile is steady. Log the release for structural bonding.
The MonoCell II-L mold undergoes high-pressure cleaning, followed by a UV inspection to guarantee the flawless surface finish of the composite structure.
The pre-cut matte black carbon fiber sheets are precisely picked up by a sophisticated robotic system. A high-energy plasma jet sweeps across the metallic surface, subtly altering the surface chemistry. This Once the multi-layered layup of matte black high-modulus carbon fiber pre-preg sheets is complete on the mold, a flexible
Materials. The plasma-treated silver aluminum substructures are conveyed through a multi-stage ultrasonic cleaning bath, utilizing
Dissipates. This pre-autoclave debulking process is meticulously monitored, preparing the composite structure for the high-temperature.
The clean, silver aluminum substructures are briefly sprayed with a volatile, temporary protective coating.
The camera captures the momentary convergence of the Artura's lightweight components.
Okay, lifting now. Clear on this side, keep it steady.
The MonoCell II-L section is placed inside the coordinate measuring machine bay. A ruby-tipped probe
The sensor verifies the paint thickness is within micro-tolerance, ensuring maximum color depth without compromising the lightweight chassis.
Technicians meticulously apply specialized masking tape to the chassis. This ensures the adhesive bonds only.
This highly localized surface activation step cleans and energizes the composite material immediately prior to adhesive application.
factory shifts focus to this quieter zone. Large multi-axis CNC machines transform the solid billets.
The Artura's lightweight aluminum chassis undergoes high-speed drilling, constantly cooled to prevent distortion.
A small, automated brush system meticulously deburrs the edges, removing microscopic sharp edges. Stable. The aluminum substructures are conveyed through a final high-purity solvent cleaning station. They emerge perfectly clean.
Here we see the Artura structural component.
The fully assembled structure is lifted by the overhead crane and transferred into the dedicated, temperature-controlled clean room.
The temporary clamps are swiftly removed. The joints remain perfectly rigid, demonstrating the incredible strength of the structural bonding method.
Small, precise robotic tools install fittings onto the aluminum substructures. This pre-assembly step prepares.
This sealant provides additional environmental protection against moisture and corrosion, enhancing the longevity.
Calibration sequence initiated on the left substructure.
Confirmation. All reference points are within tolerance. Ready for the main line.
The robotic arms precisely align the hybrid V6. Now, the team secures the adhesive bonds, essential for managing the immense torque. As the Artura accelerates, the high torque strain is absorbed by the structurally bonded chassis, thanks to the advanced two-part epoxy adhesive. Enabled by the strength and lightweight nature of the fully bonded MonoCell II-L chassis, demonstrating exceptional agility.